Today, we're making Cantonese style Chow Mein. This is a fantastic dish for Lunar New Year. The noodles are crispy, full of flavor, and the toppings are tender, colorful, and packed with even more flavor. If you like Chow Mein, then you'll love this dish. It's great for lunch and dinner, so let's get cooking. Cut 1 carrot into 1-inch pieces. Angle cut 5 sticks of celery. Cut 2 heads of broccoli. And 1 bunch of green onions. Then 1.5 cups of napa cabbage. We'll thinly slice 3 chicken thighs into 2-inch strips. Then prepare 9 shrimp that are peeled and deveined with the tail off. Then cut 1 pound of beef flank into thin strips. We'll add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix and marinate for at least 30 minutes. For the sauce, we'll add 2 cups of chicken stock, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of shaoxing, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Give this a mix. To start, we'll blanch our chow mein egg noodles for about 30 seconds. We're using about 2 pounds of chow mein noodles today. Blanch this and set it aside. We'll also blanch our broccoli. On a wok set to high heat, add some oil, then cook our meat. Once the meat is cooked, we'll set this aside. Add some more oil, and about a handful of noodles. We'll let this crisp up for about 3 minutes, or until it's crunchy. Be sure to only add about a handful of noodles at a time to get a nice crispy crunch. Set these crispy noodles aside, and repeat for the rest of the noodles. We'll then cook the toppings. Add the veggies to the wok. Cover for 2 minutes. Add back the meat. Then add our sauce. Bring it all to a simmer for about 3 minutes to reduce the sauce. We can then add our toppings to the noodles. And boom, you have a Cantonese style chow mein. This is so good and one of my all-time favorite recipes. This is absolutely a must-have for Lunar New Year. So give it a try. Be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.